Alright, so over TV and Ray yet in 7 over. Now what you wear critical week. My main can win main cabin. Your announcement series says yeah. Into our best keep for the first part, you might not understand the kind of content you be to Silver TV this particular week. This is after said the whole team at Tenase now. You taking this decision. Very soon you start seeing other members of Silver TV. We have a presentation on certain days. First thing that you need to notice this week, and then when you Asante Kotoko training news, and then Enkwan Yebema Asante Kotoko training news. I'm our players present and the entire players need the anti training and Enkwan Yebema. After Neno ne ukwada yewi. Into more questions na yenim say beba. But the only day I will come back to answer your questions concerning Kotoko training and players available Saturday in Umre. Channel Sumame. So that will be the only day that and then Kotoko training we are. That is one request about. My previous video I'm here before this one. I've seen a lot of comments. Feel free to comment. I can't hold a boy me did you make but after Sunday you will understand the motive behind the video. Thank you. So drop your comment. Those amount for hitipa. You man say do baby so to do tija chrema. Now and then news Yabeko has camp. So called Connie has never. Yabeko has camp near more training news. I think a week when I have stories in the dorsal page Sudan Kotoko. For certain reasons, binti. And where the editorial team they decided on. And sanity. Yeah, and bring young headlines no so. Virtual seat. Mobile number in here. 0549 765842 virtual seat challenge Kotoko has. Wow, did this win to member stadium and match in Ukraine and your Kotoko home, a house home. To contribute to help Asante Kotoko virtual seat challenge. Mobile number 0549 765842. Graphics you be post to edit a 2 video so don't forget to drop something for Asante Kotoko virtual seat. And now I edit to my name Kotoko and training until then no year training the brown imunsem Isaac Oppong name before I go into the issues and Isaac Oppong name and yet training is a controversial statement na me making. Pictures Naba Bonting. He was at the training grounds, but one year training. Can he play against hard to folk? Asem kesiye pa. Dahwe numeri a home. Can he play against hard to folk? Pa home. Then I'm saying Nenkwan I'm doing children maybe be just a Saturday and I'm doing training news. Isaac Oppong doubtful or present available. And now I'm me catch us say me din common ye say oye okay no and then yasan chiri mu akire me yie me de bro e was say Uber TV na ubetin common asi if you do cheneko and me better send the badrum bem if you cheneko obetin your mass yanko training no Asante Kotoko training before that Asante Kotoko announce say pre-season next year Omoko Europe. Na nyame ya adom a eye fiada ombesi asentrofo na asem no omachirechire mu yie e de amaye akwesi mempre me ho embetena ha mbeka se minim baby omoko minim kura minim club and say Friday. Let's respect the protocols of the club. Say akwenya ba na bi o chene numre se me de ba e bi am de beba sa pepe ne tie. And I'm a catch from a car winning bonus next salary one sem. And then another video. No, I think let's move on to today. That's a check akra. Monfan chemi. I have to full camp. David Oppong Frane and Eric Oforienchi has Kotoko. You ruled out. And no air de kutami amedema. David Oppong Frane Eric Oforientry ruled out. Had to full Babeduru Kumasi Thursday on bede Joso. Babeduru Kumasi Thursday wamo ebede Joso. On be training where Joso Forestry Park ho. I know you're the say can't Friday, Saturday on be training. You're the moon 7 ebe bro. I'm the assistant coach never. Had to full from what I've been told will not appoint a coach this week. I'm the assistant coach and na eba. And the pubi mine na nyasem ketwa. Omani abrepa. Yes, the reporter will pubi mine through a channel kono. Obekasa na yede ni nyina ma ewo yes Obet TV. And Asante Kotoko recovery ni say that here goalkeepers 4 ni nyina timi by. Na na Kotoko training no na pepre na focused on running, endurance. Now a group of 3. First group no John Teleku, Yaya Dawuni, Baba Yaya Eric Zese, Nana Benyina Mwa Sharif Mohammed defender. Amo Nana Chese, Wamo the first group. John Teleku, Yaya Dawuni, Baba Yaya Eric Zese, Nana Benyini Amwa. And a Sharif Mohammed defender. No more your group back on to make a kick ball na running. The second group was Yusuf Nuruddin, Peter Aminu Akwa, Sharif Mohammed, Nicholas Osei Bonsu, Che Jamana Michael, Enoch Morrison. Yes, and now I catch them say Morrison confirmation about so a fit into a free second half against Chelsea. No, there's no cause or no fear. Morrison to make a can Prince Anderson and an Intimenu Andrews woman ewo third group of guests in Japan Fuseni Sahaku Rocky Dramana Henry Ansu Nicholas Mensah and a Richmond Lamptey na also a group back on 2 players we are 25 players one team quality so and I want Isaac Oppong name a dean meba san komo so na me de mun chechiri mu no e de abrew enti koroko training ge course e wo ho no e na me de ma na Isaac Oppong name amukwala de rest kakra nyese wontimi mbo betimi abo enti rest kakra na mpanifo e ma na je na ho me kakra ma na je na ho me kakra Asem Hobat, my main fancy here, I mean, can be Georgia Naomi. I can't go into details, but on not the on said doubtful, sir. Kuala and said doubtful, sir. Is highly available, but there was a precautionary measure kakra. Measure kakra na penny for ye etiki on Kuala. So Kaya Tamana Frank Mbella Etuga Okotokono on a George in Fegi. Coach Ogumba post match be catching nyina say on intensive training no ma Frank Mbella any infake intensive training because they need to protect their fitness enti eno na aboama say tackle say kono so ye butu but he was always almost fit to get the job done for Asante Kotoko okay say ankomo na ye Ogum kan no nti eno abia ena dance around abrantia ye freno Steve Mukwala so Mukwala enye doubtful as a Mukwala no kase se BBC dia different but say dia onye doubtful but in common say later now baby and Ghost Stars story we a Ghost Star story but the keep befa Kotoko baby and Ghost Stars utie ni are sign Abednego Tete. Ama sign Abednego Tete bi wababak. And this makes Bebianu Gold Stars. It changes their thought on Prince Kwabena Owusu. Chenye. Omenya Abednego Tete ama monsa aye flexible on Prince Kwabena Owusu. Say but ni nyina na ye say Prince Kwabena Owusu Bebianu Gold Stars in day. So they want to keep all their arsenals. But ebi ban ebi tini eden eko shen so mame now Kotoko camp Julius Ofori Ziggy keka ho we prade but it looks like senior Gold Stars and common we can say ebi ba na ebi kono Julius Oforizigi ebi betimi aba ama wotana no adane asem foforo kakra ebna me catch am say Abdul Fattah Safiu is on his way to Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Safiu is on his way to Asante Kotoko. Now me confirm story ne the man among tie Silver Sports dey ahead data na ebi ba ebi tinye den ekọ enti Julius Oforizigi hwewana muntu yie na wanhwe yie na enim ho no na wanhwe yie na wumum na obetimi akọ. Don't forget say second round Asante Kotoko Nicholas Mensah ebeba also no ni team na ye training na and I would see me bona no ka third group na Japan Fuseni Rocky Dramana Henry Ansu Nicholas Mensah na Richmond Lamte. He's been part of the team and Ogumufani Diago. It also Kotoko be register the second round February and team Ranti any being to omunyo ye cause ebi bano ebi timye den eko Isaac Mensah, Abdul Fattah Safiu, and Emmanuel Korte of Inswatremai. So Kotoko registers our players in our second rounder. Don't be surprised. Now Isaac Oppong semono ne kano edi. Minim send mo pa branche na semuntino. Semwe ne kano edi pa. Enye hunihuna na bibe hunihuna chitafo but so we have picture now at that screen so Isaac Oppong echo training. He was at the training grounds. But Bishop Jemensa can say medical team no amani 2 days say on fine gym work. I'm say asem no anoshi 2 days say on fine gym work. Inti ene or your gym work. On say gym work ni different from intensive running no. Tieni team nankasa ye intensive running. But to take care of Isaac Oppong intino or yes a certain gym ni be not one as or 9 or 1 ya day. I won't put so much pressure on your leg. Inti ene gym no yeah. But issue ni say 2 days and necessary the gym. Na say anyame ya adom na ochina ye sori. Na say oba training no mbisa so otipin no ka say onte dia. And ye bi on na stop it. No wa ye on pitch the ni bi. But so complaining kakra dia he will still have to be at the gym. Inti say ne ekopem efiada na still omubisa no ka say treatment no oteka kakra dia ni bia obetimi aye gym saa utie ni yede bia na gym na no obetimi aye gym na saa kopem ebi efiada but say nyame adom na se bibia ye okay dia ene bia obetimi a join the team na nkasa nti Isaac Oppong asem no kan empaibo oyo okay on say injury bi o ha on ka de achi nkwa ko ntimi ba training embe she boot kura ntimi nko gym won utie de nti e hono na nke be doubtful but okay ni say chances of him playing no e wo ho but at the same time no it will be based on the response to a treatment and how the pain no the hon sem no esifatie Isaac Oppong dia me de ma on nti na gym no ye na se bibia asesa de na bi obetimi aye gym na akopem Friday bibia asesa de aba bibi sesa na ti ye de na bi ochena obetimi a join the team no so when team I know the mama fancy what can be bebre na what I say me hunam. That is the situation of Isaac Oppong. He's doubtful. Yeah, he's doubtful. But on said young players no now cast on me a doubtful and why I careful when it comes to young players. Because omususu ankasa uswa Aya dia ye di ani abu se be 3 days so be 3 fie no. Wotimi de 1 day kura ma ho to. So wusa. And also Isaac Oppong or a young boy. The recovery no ye fast. Ye fast. Ti the no. Maybe yes, he was at the training. Mukwala the otran chain. Mukwala tran chain, but no the any dear. Enyu sa. Ti mumpire because why here na chese. The two a year you need to move Kotoko no. Let's just be hopeful. Near mumpire. Tiene the no. Why? Me de ma blay hoye. Blay hoye. Blay hoye enti. Enya se blay pra. Blay hoye. Blay hoye. Mukwala de measures keke. And I'm penny for a take de ema. Enti mewie menkomu bebre mewie. Na ma membo virtual seat ni bi number no so. 0549 76 5842 0549 76 5842 no Kotoko virtual seat no ho enkomo no na mede den abronti na place no ko ben fact ya kemu bia no ye de ebebremo ewo se obe TV. I feel me just story be pa. I don't know why, but what they say about 5:32. Mekaya, let's say me no video. I'll bring it. I think I wrote it on the other paper. Until my family see her. Why? Now the akemunyana yede be bremo later. Bye bye.